Welcome back to the stress and anxiety management sessions. Session number 2, we are starting today. So, in this session, we are going to see how anxiety and stress is correlated with each other. My name is Dr. Madhuri, and since last more than 18 years, I'm helping working professionals to manage their stress along with managing their personal life. So, let's start with session 2. Session 2 is why overthinking never stops. Most people think that overthinking means thinking too much, but actually, overthinking is a nervous system pattern. For example, you send one message and the person does not reply for the same time. Or then immediately the mind starts thinking, did I said something wrong? Are they upset? What if something happened? Or maybe your boss calls you and says, we need to talk tomorrow. Whole night your mind keeps creating different situation, different stories, different chaos. Even small situations starts feeling mentally very heavy. Now understand this very carefully. When your nervous system stress for a long time, the brain slowly becomes hyper alert. It starts scanning each and everything for danger, each and everything for rejection, mistakes, and problems. And this is why, even after work, your mind keeps replaying the conversation, replaying the scenes, future situations which are not at all happened, and you feel danger, arguments which are not done yet, mistakes which are not happened, or imaginary scenarios. And slowly overthinking become automatic. You automatically start overthinking for from minutes to hours and hours to days. Especially in working professionals and working women, the brain rarely get recovery time. Office stress, family responsibility, financial pressure, relationship expectations, constant multitasking. This is a very big myth that multitasking is important and multitasking has to be done, but this is not at all a correct thing. So, constant multitasking, all this happens, the nervous system gets overloaded, and on overload nervous system, it cannot stay calm by any which way. This is why many people say, my mind never switch off. Now, another important thing, overthinking is not solving the problem. अब बहुत ज्यादा ओवरथिंक करते बैठोगे तो प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिलने वाला है. इट इज एक्चुअली एग्जॉस्टिंग द ब्रेन मोर एंड मोर. This is why sleep become lighter. Cannot sleep well. Emotional reactions increases. You overreact towards your partner, your friends, or your kids. Patience decreases. Anxiety increases, and decision making become very difficult. And the dangerous part is most people think this is their personality. No, many times this is exhausted nervous system stuck in survival mode. And but the good news is that you can easily come out from this. When the nervous system slows, it feels safe, and when it starts learning safe again, the mind also becomes calmer. Okay, in the next session we will understand how childhood experiences and emotional stress silently affect adult life and relationship. And trust me, many adults emotionally pat in many adults emotional patterns starts much earlier than the people realize. If you are connecting with this series, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with someone who may silently be struggling with stress, anxiety, or overthinking. And comment below